Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. As you guys can see, it's already opened because I wanted to check it, but we have an unboxing because I'm taking it out the box. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much, and let's get into this unboxing. Okay, everybody. So as I stated, I did open this real quick because I wanted to make sure the item in it was really good. Anyway, so this is actually my second order from Vestia Collective. My cousin has got me hooked on this website. So I'm super excited about the item that's in this box. And since it's already open, let's get into the box. So another thing, I think this also came from, because I just did an unboxing for another item that came from Vestia Collective. So I ordered through Vestia Collective, and I think Bag is the seller. So I did a whole thing on that. I did a whole explanation about it. So one thing I've noticed, it seems like Bag does like selling in different platforms beside their website. So they do sell through Vestia Collective. They sell through eBay. I think they also sell through ThreadUp. But I'm not sure where else they sell, but those three platforms I know they sell through it, including their website. So this item is ordered through Vestia Collective, but came through Rebag. So, okay. And I wanted to make sure it was good, so that's why I was like, ah. Okay, guys. Let me get the box out the way. I think you guys will probably know what it is by just how slouchy this thing is. So 3, 2, 1, and maybe by the thumbnail. So okay. So guys, I did tell you guys in the last video that I was looking for a Fendi Baguette, right? I said I've had the Fendi Bug. So let me move the camera closer so you guys can kind of see it while I go into more detail. So I did tell you guys I've been looking for a Fendi Baguette because I got the Fendi Bug. So it does come with the dust bag. And I gotta get this. I gotta get an organizer for this. Oh my God. This is, oh my God. All right. So let's go through the bag together. There's a little kind of like a leather kind of, let me see if I can pull it up. There's like a little leather peel over there. I'm not worrying about that. And then let's see what else is in here. There's like a little thing right here. See if I can focus it. Like a leather peel right here. You see? Hold on. Like a little edge wear right here. I'm not worrying about that neither. One thing I was worried about is the corner because I really didn't want it to have corner wear. So I wasn't sure if it had any corner wear. But based on the photos, I didn't see any corner wear. And guys, this blue. Can we take a moment just for the blue? Please? Can we take a moment just for the blue? This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, guys. I just wanted to take a quick moment for the blue. This blue is so beautiful. So this is in the medium size. Oh, wow. It still got the plastic on it. Oh, my God. This person did not remove the plastic. So as you can see right here, there's still a plastic on it. So I probably might be the first person to remove this plastic from the hardware. Wow. It still have the plastic, guys. So this is in excellent condition in my book. They did put it that it was in great condition through Vestia Collective. And we already know how the Fendi Baguette look like. It does have one zipper here. Let's open it up. So you have one zipper right here, which that's really it. And then you have the dark interior with the cloth material. So it does have a cloth material right here. And then it has kind of like a Fendi logo right here with the FF. On the zipper, it doesn't really have anything on the zipper, just the button. And then it has Fendi Baguette right here, made in Italy. And then you have right here where it says Fendi on here. Okay. And then obviously we got the FF. And this one doesn't have any back pocket and no feet. It's literally like a slouchy bag. I am going to get an organizer for it because you guys know I do love my organizer. And also you see how it look all like wrinkles and stuff like that. It's supposed to look like that. That's the whole thing. I think this is a Napa leather, so it's supposed to look all slouchy and everything. But me, I love my structure to my bag, so I am gonna get an organizer for it. The one thing also, based on all of the research that I've done and all of the YouTube reviews and everything that I've watched, the thing about it is that this strap is really short. So if you want to get like a different strap to where you can, but this probably might hit. I don't know exactly where it's going to hit me because I am like 5'3.5", so I don't know exactly where it's going to hit me. But this strap is really small, so a lot of people usually get either like a additional Fendi strap or get a third-party strap so you can wear it crossbody. But it's more meant to be on the shoulder than crossbody. And you do have the top handle right here, and let me show you on the top handle. It does have kind of like a little letter mark or whatever, which it doesn't really bother me. So it's like little letter here and there that's kind of peeling. And that's one thing I've kind of noticed about Fendi bags as well. The leather kind of seems like it peels, but I love it. And also another thing I was looking for was over here, because a lot of the ones on the pre-love market, it usually have like dark marking right here, and this doesn't really have it. And over here also usually have dark marking, which it doesn't. This is removable. So you have the 2D ring, one to hold the shoulder strap, and then you got the one to hold the top handle strap. But you can remove it and just hold it like a clutch if you want to. I'm not sure if I've already stated this is in the size medium. They do have, wait, let me see. I think they have the mini in the baguette. You got the nano, actually you got the nano baguette, which is more on like putting it as a keychain or something on your pants. Some people wear it on their pants or whatever. So you got the nano, you got the mini, you got the midi, you got the medium, and then you got the large. I don't think they got a small. I think the midi is supposed to be the small, but they call it midi. So it's nano, mini, midi, medium, and large when it comes to the baguette size. So I did go for the medium because I wanted, the medium is the classic size. A lot of people, when you buy the baguette, you want to go for the medium size. So that's the reason why I actually decided to go for the medium. And right here, you got a little peeling. Let me see, because I'm just looking around the bag as well while I'm talking to you guys. So you got a little peeling right here on that edge. And then over here, it looked like the glue. I'm not sure if it's coming apart or how it was made, but you can see like the green right here. That doesn't really bother me neither. I guess it's over time. It kind of does that with the way they did the bag and stuff like that. So as you can see right here, but it's not coming apart. It just looked like maybe that's how the bag was actually made. Yeah, it's not coming apart, so that's good. So I'm just looking, oh, I'm just looking over it just to see. But it looks great. It looks really good. I think they put it as great condition on Vestiaire Collective. So I was like, you know what, let me get it. I wasn't sure about the corner wear, but as we can see, there really isn't any corner wear on the actual bag itself. There is corner wear on here, and the other little space that I showed you also on the handle. You got a little bit, it's not corner wear, but you got a little peeling. And then, let me see. And I think somewhere else there was like a little peeling, like right here or something. There's a little peeling. But beside that, this bag is in great condition. And this blue, oh my God. So now I have two blue in my collection, and both of them are Fendi, guys. Like, so you guys know I got this blue right here. And you remember I had ordered one that I unboxed of this blue. So now I have two blue in my collection. This is more of the Tiffany blue. So it's like that bluish green kind of undertone, but it's still in the blue family. So this is the Tiffany blue. And then you got more of the royal blue right here. I just wanted to show you that Fendi first. That's the Fendi first, and then this is the baguette. So this is more of the royal blue, which I'm excited to have. So I have two blue bags, and probably when I do my other video about this bag, I'm definitely going to have an organizer because I love it's slouchy. I'm not really a slouchy person. That's one thing I've noticed. I think I'm more in the structure. I love structure bag, but I needed to get this bag. Like this bag needed to be in my collection, and I'm so happy I actually have this bag in my collection. I am super, super, super excited. And as you can see, there you go. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. There you go. Oh, so I finally have my Fendi Baguette in my collection. Anyway, guys, that was the video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.